Actinobacillus ureae. General information. Actinobacillus ureae, formerly known as Pastorella ureae, belongs to the Pasteurellacea family. It's closely related to Actinobacillus hominis within the Actinobacillus genus. While Actinobacillus ureae is typically a harmless resident in the human respiratory system, it can become opportunistic in individuals with weakened immune systems or existing respiratory conditions. Notably, Actinobacillus ureae has been implicated in a range of infections including sinusitis, bronchopneumonia, and even meningitis in immunocompromised patients. Although infections caused by Actinobacillus ureae are uncommon, they highlight the potential pathogenicity of this bacterium, particularly in vulnerable populations. Gram stain. Actinobacillus ureae exhibits distinct morphological characteristics depending on the growth medium. On solid media, it presents as gram-negative, medium-sized rods or coccoid rods, arranged singly, in pairs, or occasionally in short chains. However, in liquid media, these bacteria tend to elongate and display a characteristic bipolar staining pattern, where the ends of the cells stain more intensely than the center. This variation in morphology, based on growth conditions, can be a useful diagnostic feature for identifying Actinobacillus ureae. Culture characteristics. Actinobacillus ureae is a facultative anaerobe, meaning it can grow with or without oxygen, but its growth is enhanced in the presence of 5 to 10% CO2. On blood agar, BA, colonies exhibit diverse morphologies, appearing either smooth or rough, and are characteristically viscous and adherent to the agar surface. These colonies typically reach a size of approximately 2 mm after 24 hours of incubation. Notably, smooth colonies showcase a distinctive domed shape and possess a bluish tint when observed under transmitted light. While Actinobacillus ureae thrives on BA and brain-heart infusion blood agar, BHIBA, it fails to grow on McConkey agar, a selective medium often used to differentiate between lactose-fermenting and non-lactose fermenting bacteria. Characteristics. Actinobacillus ureae is characterized as a gram-negative, tiny bacilli that exhibits growth under both aerobic and anaerobic conditions. It displays positive reactions for catalase, oxidase, and urease tests, indicating its ability to produce these enzymes. Notably, it is non-motile and demonstrates resistance to vancomycin but susceptibility to colistin. Its growth on McConkey agar can be variable, sometimes showing growth and other times not. Poem. Tiny rod, unseen, yet impactful. Actinobacillus ureae, our guest commensal. In weakened hosts, it turns its tide. Sinusitis, pneumonia, its battles cried. Vancomycin's might, it can defy, but other treatments help us fight and thrive.